Hello and welcome to Cooking with Erica. I have been ordering meats from Butcher Box for a few months, so I wanted to show you guys what I get in my box. I didn't order chicken this month because we're fully stocked in chicken. We usually get the chicken breast and we're just fully stocked right now. Just got a bigger freezer, so now I can actually see what we have, which is phenomenal. So I'm going to show you my setup, but I wanted to show you guys what we ordered. And one of the things, they do pack the box in dry ice, so wear protection. And yeah, let me show you guys what I ordered, and I'm going to be starting to show you some recipes on some of the meats that I ordered from there. I do love that the meats here are grass-fed, hormone-free, because, you know, I want to cook healthier for my family. Oh, I did order a whole chicken from there, so I could make homemade chicken soup, but I didn't order the chicken breast like I usually do. So I got the grass-fed beef boneless chuckers. That's good for pot roast. They did send me boneless, skinless chicken breast. I don't remember ordering that. Okay. So I did get that. So when I made my purchase, I got free ground beef for life. So there are so many things that you could do with ground beef. I make a lot of meatloaf, homemade meatballs. There's so much you can do with that. And then I got grass-fed bottom roast. There's this Mongolian beef recipe that I usually do with that. It comes out phenomenal. So I think I ordered 2 of these. Yeah, that recipe comes out so good. And then with the leftovers, I make this awesome grilled cheese recipe. And then these are the grass-fed top sirloin steaks. This is the first time I'm ordering the sirloin steaks from them, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna come out good. So far, all the meats I've had from them have been good. And this is the organic chicken I ordered from them. These were on sale for $12. $12 for a whole organic chicken. I'm gonna make homemade chicken soup from them. My daughters love organic chicken soup. Just something healthy that, you know, just in case the kids catch a cold or something, I'm gonna have this in the freezer, you know, on backup, just in case. I'll already have this, you know, it's just something good to have on hand. So, have that. And these are Stripline Steaks. And I got 2 of them. That's my order. Now, we're only a family of 4. One of my daughters does not eat beef, so the beef lasts us for about 8 weeks. So I only put in my order once every 8 weeks, and it lasts us. So yeah, that's our order. I'm gonna pause this, and then I will show you my freezer setup. So this is my meat setup, and then I have a big area set up for my cakes or cake pops for later. And then I have my ground beef area set up over there, and then that's an extra steak area for when steaks go on sale or for when my butcher block order comes in. So I am nice and organized. So I'm very lucky that I have this nice big deep freezer. I'm gonna post my link for Butcher Block. There's usually a good deal or a promo going on. Sometimes they give an offer for whoever refers you. I did have our old fridge freezer, and you know, like my homemade sauce and meatballs, I stockpile it. So those are good freezer meals to have on hand. So I will post my link so you guys get a coupon special. Thank you.